Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best BRIC'S Luggage is probably one of the most sought-after luggage brands for discerning travelers, renowned for its perfect blend of sophisticated style, unwavering durability, and intelligent functionality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of BRIC'S, exploring its diverse range of suitcases, carry-ons, and travel accessories to help you determine if a BRIC'S bag is the right choice for your next adventure. Number 5. BRIC'S Ulisse Spinner Suitcase. Its eye-catching color makes it easy to spot at baggage claim. The design is inspired by Milan's underground train maps, adding a touch of Italian flair to your travels. With 4 double swiveling wheels, it rotates 360 degrees for effortless movement. The built-in TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings safe and secure during your journey. Its hard-shell exterior is made from lightweight polypropylene, protecting your items from bumps and scratches. The expandable zipper gives you up to 2 extra inches of packing space when needed. The interior features 2 fully lined compartments for easy organization. One side has a mesh pocket, and the other has a stretchable strap to keep everything in place. For over 60 years, BRIC'S has been crafting high-quality luggage with a focus on detail and style. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function for the discerning traveler. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, this suitcase is a must-have for the sophisticated traveler. Enjoy the extra perks and travel in style. What we like. It boasts a unique Milan-inspired design that's sure to turn heads. The built-in TSA-approved lock ensures worry-free travel, and the expandable feature provides extra packing space when needed. If you're a stylish traveler who appreciates both fashion and functionality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The design of this suitcase is nothing short of impressive. Its sleek and modern aesthetics immediately catch the eye, and the attention to detail is evident in every aspect of its construction. What truly sets the BRIC'S BY Ulisse apart is its expandability feature. With just a simple zip, the suitcase's capacity increases significantly, allowing me to pack more efficiently without sacrificing organization or aesthetics. Maneuvering the suitcase is effortless thanks to its 360-degree spinner wheels. They glide smoothly, making navigation through crowded airports and city streets a breeze. Number 4. BRIC'S BY Ulisse Carry-On. It's sleek, comfortable, and functional, blending sophisticated design with modern lines. This carry-on will take your travel experience to the next level. Easily pack all your clothing, shoes, and personal items. It's durable and flexible, and coordinates perfectly with other pieces from the collection. Experience seamless rotation with its 4 ergonomic spinning wheels. Glide effortlessly through airports and train stations. It's made from durable materials and features a hidden name tag, a TSA-approved lock, an expandable zipper, and even a USB port for charging. BRIC'S is known for exceptional, meticulously crafted products with exquisite details. It embodies Italian craftsmanship, a favorite of celebrities and designers. What we like. This carry-on is perfectly sized for airline restrictions, making it ideal for short trips. Its spinner wheels ensure smooth and effortless mobility, and the convenient USB port lets you charge your devices on the go. If you prioritize convenience and effortless travel, this is the one for you. What people say. The design of this suitcase is nothing short of impressive. Its sleek and modern aesthetics immediately catch the eye, and the attention to detail is evident in every aspect of its construction. What truly sets the BRIC'S BY Ulisse apart is its expandability feature. With just a simple zip, the suitcase's capacity increases significantly, allowing me to pack more efficiently without sacrificing organization or aesthetics. Maneuvering the suitcase is effortless thanks to its 360-degree spinner wheels. They glide smoothly, making navigation through crowded airports and city streets a breeze. Number 3. BRIC'S Bellagio 2.0 Spinner. Introducing the BRIC'S Bellagio 2.0 Spinner, where classic Italian design meets modern functionality. It's the perfect blend of style and durability for your next adventure. This trolley spinner boasts a sleek silhouette and durable polycarbonate shell. Notice the elegant full-grain leather trim, it's a testament to quality craftsmanship. With its double-deck interior and large pockets, it offers maximum organization for all your travel essentials. Packing has never been easier or more stylish. The ergonomic, adjustable handle and smooth rolling spinner wheels make navigating any airport a breeze. Enjoy effortless travel with this luxurious suitcase. It features a water-resistant shell and a TSA-approved lock, keeping your belongings safe and secure. Travel with peace of mind knowing your valuables are protected. For over 70 years, BRIC'S has been crafting luxury luggage with family values and meticulous attention to detail. This piece is a true reflection of that legacy. To keep it looking its best, simply clean any stains with a soft, dry cloth. For stubborn stains, use a small amount of neutral wax. What we like. This sophisticated suitcase exudes elegance with its classic silhouette and luxurious leather trim. Its water-resistant shell protects your belongings from the elements, ensuring peace of mind during your travels. If you value style and durability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very solid although lightweight. The zipper and maneuverability is why we like this piece of luggage. A beautiful and unique suitcase, you will have no problem recognizing it at the baggage pickup. Was amazed by how much it can hold, enough for a 3-week trip in the wintertime involving sweaters, boots, and other bulky items. The inner pockets make this suitcase very easy to close, no more sitting on the lid and trying to force it to zip as I often had to do with other bags. Solid and lightweight with fantastic wheels. Number 2. BRIC'S X Bag Rolling Duffel. Traveling just got easier with this high-quality carry-on bag. It's airline approved and made from easy-to-clean, water-resistant nylon. This duffel is designed for your convenience. It features an ergonomic pull handle, spacious storage, and multiple pockets for organization. It's the perfect blend of sporty and professional. Lightweight and efficient, it's ideal for business trips or weekend getaways. This bag is built to last. It boasts double carry handles, full-grain leather trim, and stylish practicality. For 70 years, BRIC'S has been crafting high-quality luggage with family values and attention to detail. Experience the difference. What we like. This versatile duffel bag combines the convenience of wheels with the practicality of a spacious design. Its water-resistant exterior protects your belongings from unexpected showers, and its ample storage space makes it ideal for weekend getaways or business trips. If you need a durable and stylish bag for both work and leisure, this is the perfect option. What people say. Really nice Italian duffel bag. I've had it and used it for many years and it is still in perfect physical and aesthetic condition. It's small and lightweight enough to pass for a carry-on, fits everything I need for business travels, 3 to 5 days. Planning to use it for upcoming trip to Chicago. Then Cuba and Antarctica. I love the fabric, the space, and the little wheels and lightweight. So pleased I bought this bag, it's got everything I wanted. Good size for small trips or weekends away and waterproof. Number 1. BRIC'S X Bag Duffel. It's designed with a sleek and stylish look, perfect for adding a touch of effortless charm to your outfit. Take it with you on short trips or to the club, spa, or yoga class. This travel bag is incredibly practical. It easily holds several outfits and has handy pockets for your essentials. It's great as a carry-on or to complement your larger luggage. With its roomy design, it keeps everything organized. You'll find dedicated compartments for your tablet, phone, and other small items, all easily accessible. It's built to last with a durable, waterproof exterior and reinforced hardware. The adjustable strap and trolley sleeve make it easy to carry and transport. This bag represents exceptional Italian craftsmanship and attention to detail. It's a timeless piece, loved by style icons worldwide. What we like. This stylish duffel bag is perfect for short trips or as a personal item. Its multiple compartments keep your belongings organized, and the luggage sleeve allows for easy attachment to a larger suitcase. If you're looking for a practical and stylish bag for short trips or as a personal item, this is the one for you. What people say. Fabric is a nylon, but it's very comfortable to the touch. I can pack an entire weekend including shoes, tablet, makeup. Perfect for carry-on. I used this travel bag on my last trip to Miami and Denver. A handsome bag, it holds a lot of things and has many compartments. I carried my medicines and makeup in the bag, and even a pajama and a pair of tennis shoes. It is an elegant bag, which I recommend highly. Very good, ample space inside, lot of smaller pockets for specific objects. Not heavy at all but quite strong and durable. You can use it as a crossbody bag, or attach it to your trolley suitcase, which is really quite convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.